is he. Choose the thought, become the key.
There are battles only hearts endure, where nothing seems stable, nothing sure. Yet hidden strength is often grown when you keep standing there alone. A widow came with steady feet, again and again through crowded streets. No title held, no power claimed, only resolve that would not break. While others bowed and walked away, she kept returning day by day, and what seemed fixed began to bend. Persistence wears resistance thin. When the answer lingers far, when the dark outshines the stars, keep the flame, protect the spark. Morning forms inside the dark. Do not fade, do not fall. Keep on rising through it all. Pray again, stand once more. Knock until they open doors. What stays faithful will obtain. What endures will not be vain. Hold the line through wind and rain. Do not fade. Some quit inches from the seam, where rock gives way and rivers stream. Some stop one step before the turn and never see what waiting earned. But mountains move for those who stay, who keep their hands upon the plow each day, who sow in tears and walk by trust when progress still looks made of dust. Pray when nothing seems to shift. Pray when burdens feel too thick. Pray when voices mock your pace. Pray when silence fills the place. Prayer is not a weak retreat, it is power on its feet. The unseen war is often won by those who pray till morning comes. You may bend but do not break. Delays not denial's shade. What feels late may still arrive. Stay awake and stay alive. Do not fade, do not fall. Keep on rising through it all. Pray again, stand once more. Knock until they open doors. What stays faithful will obtain. What endures will not be vain. Hold the line through wind and rain. Do not fade. This is grit with lifted eyes. This is hope that outlasts time. This is courage in the wait. This is trust that tolerates. This is labor no one sees. Roots beneath the winter trees. This is strength that heaven knows before the blossom ever shows. If the judge can bend at last, how much more will mercy act? If persistence move that throne, you are never striving lone. Heaven hears the constant cry every not faint. Pray always, stand steady, keep coming. Do not faint. They may rise for a little while, cheat the road with clever style, but every shadow meets the sun, and truth reveals what has been done. I would rather build it slow, with clean hands and roots below, sleep at night with nothing hid, than gain the world through counterfeit. Because the mirror always knows what the crowd may never know, and peace is worth far more than gold, and stories bought and cheaply sold. What is crooked cannot stand, what is false slips through the hands, but what is honest, what is right, walks unafraid into the light. Walk securely, steady and strong, when your truth and steps belong. No disguise, no double face, nothing hidden to replace. Walk securely, heart set free, integrity is victory. When the world shakes endlessly, truth will let you walk securely. Integrity is quiet power, kept in every private hour. It is doing what is right when no witness is in sight. It is promises held firm, values lived and values earned. It is speaking clear and fair,